Hi, I am Harish Godreddy and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about control integration capabilities that you will love because there's so many of them that I'm going to share today. But before we jump in, a little bit about me. I'm Harish Godreddy. I'm the founder of EasyBee Systems. I left my high-paying job in the US and came back to India to start my own consulting firm. And this channel is all about helping entrepreneurs take the right decision about their technology investments. So right now I help small businesses scale with the help of technology, and that's exactly that's been my passion from the time I left my corporate world, and it's been going great. So today we are going to talk about control. In case you don't know what control is, I recommend you check out my other videos about control. So I'm going to share the link. I'm going to create a playlist and put all the control videos in a playlist so you can check out other videos on control. So let's dive in and let me show you the different integration capabilities you will you'll definitely love. So let me go ahead and open control. So the first thing that I want to talk about when we say integration capability is two things. There are internal integration capabilities and there are external integration capabilities. What do I mean by that? So internal integration capabilities are control being a SaaS product. If you have your organization, if you want to connect with internal systems that you already have that are residing on your own servers or in your own data center, those are internal integrations. Basically, it is the SaaS product which is outside or residing on the internet is connecting into your organization. So those are internal integrations. The external integrations or third-party integrations are control connects with the other application that's also a SaaS or that's something somewhere hosted or something like that which is not on your network. So those are external integrations, like integrating control with, let's just say, MailChimp, or integrating it with Zoho Books. All those are like external integrations where it's connecting to another SaaS application. So now that we know the internal integration and the external integrations, let's just first look at the available options for both. So let me jump in and talk about external integrations first. So we'll start with webhooks. So webhooks are basically, right now, all SaaS products, most SaaS products provide webhooks to be able to connect to and consume their services. So if your target product or if a third-party product that you want to integrate offers web services, offers webhooks, so you can create a webhook here and then go ahead and communicate directly with that application. So that is capability number one. With webhooks, you can integrate pretty much with every other SaaS application that has a webhook functionality. So next thing is about widgets. So widgets are typical hardcore like programming, creating custom applications, right? Plugins or extensions. So you code them and you publish them. So how do you code? There's an entire section. If you click on learn more, it'll explain like how do you really code and build all that stuff. So basically, extensions are a small piece of program, so you can say a small piece of code that's packaged to achieve a specific result. So that's widgets. With that, you can connect internally, you can connect externally, you can run some tests, you can do whatever you want with your widget based on why you created it, right? So it is created to solve to meet a need. That is how widgets are. The next thing that we want to talk about is custom functions. As the name says, it's custom and it's functions, so it's so flexible. It's only your imagination is the blocker there. So you can connect with any application using these custom functions, but you just need to maintain the you need to go ahead and make sure the code is right. You maintain the code, you maintain the results and all that stuff. The custom functions is one more thing. Finally, the next thing is connection. So connection is basically you build a connection to other Zoho products, so that there is a one-time authorization. You don't get authenticated and authorized every time. So you just go ahead and create connections with either Zoho apps or third-party apps with one-time Yeah, one-time authorization, so that you don't need to log in all the times. So those four, which you saw, webhooks, widgets, custom functions, and connections, they are really the foundation for building any kind of integration with this platform, especially external integrations. Now we have to go ahead and look at the internal integrations, because external integrations are done. You understand what they are, how they actually it can run your automation or can run your workflows. So now let's look at internal integrations. The first thing that comes up with is, let's say you have some SQL servers in your data center or Oracle servers in your data center. You want to extract data from there and send it to somewhere else. Maybe that's your workflow. And till now, there is no, like, there are very few SaaS products that connect to data centers that are running in your applications that are running in your local data center. So the first thing that I want to talk about internal is called bridge. So bridge is to build the communication channel between control on the SaaS, somewhere in the SaaS and the cloud, with your servers, or servers basically in your organization. So that's a cool, awesome feature. Then we have next thing we have is connectors that can be used for external services and databases. That's another interesting feature that you can use to connect with other databases, right? So that is the second internal one. And third one, we have something called server scripts. So basically you can connect to a server and you can run these scripts on those servers. So that is another way to run to integrate within internal organization infrastructure within your organization. Then we have client scripts, where you can configure and say these are the scripts that you need to run on the browser. Again, internal automation that you can build with these with these features. So as I said, so there are so many other things that we can talk about, and I can create a webhook. I can show you how it is done, all that in future videos. Today I just wanted to connect and show you what Qntrl is capable of in terms of integration. And as you saw, I mean, it basically, you can think of anything you want to integrate with, and you can do it with Qntrl. Basically, it supports webhooks, it supports on-prem, it supports a ton of stuff that will make it much easier. So if you're planning to go ahead and build, you automate your workflows, I strongly recommend you sign up for Qntrl, because this is the best workflow orchestration platform that's available out there. And then you can go ahead, and if you can, it's so easy to use, you can go ahead and build it yourself, or just let us know and I'll go ahead and help you build those blueprints. So I hope you like the video. So go ahead, click the like button and like the video, and subscribe to this channel so that you can watch a lot more videos on latest technology that is transforming the businesses. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and then I'll come up with more videos on Qntrl the next time. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.